hope you all are doing well. In this section of my video, we will be going through the concept of magnetic effects of current, which is a topic of chapter number 4 NCERT class 12th. Now, here first we will be going through the concept of magnetic field, then we will be observing the force experienced by a charge in a magnetic field. As you all know that magnetic field can simply be experienced as a region around a magnet or a current carrying conductor where magnetic influence can be experienced by any other conductor or magnetic material. Now, what is the concept of force in this section? How a charged particle moving in a magnetic field experiences force, and what is the magnitude of this force? Let us observe a particular condition. Let us observe that the magnetic field is acting on in a region on horizontal direction. Consider a charge q which is moving with a velocity v, making an angle theta with the direction of this magnetic field. It is assumed that this charge which is moving at an angle theta will experience a force, and this force is acting in a direction perpendicular to the direction of this magnetic field. Talking about the magnitude of this force F is directly proportional to the magnitude of magnetic field. This force is directly proportional to the magnitude of charge this force is directly proportional to the vertical component of velocity, that is the v sin theta. Combining all three parameters, we have F proportional to v q v sin theta. Converting the proportionality into equality, we have a constant k. Taking the value of this k as 1, we have F is equals to bqv sin theta. If the charged particle is moving in a direction perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field, that is, if angle theta is 90 degree, the force experienced will be maximum, that is bqv. If it is moving parallel to the direction of magnetic field, that is angle made by the charged particle with the applied magnetic field is 0, as sin 0 is 0. Under that condition, no force is experienced by this charged particle. Another concept which you should remember, that this is a force which is being experienced by a charged particle which is moving in a magnetic field, which is different from the force experienced by a charged particle when kept in an electric field, which is QE. You can also convert it into a vector form, as you can observe that the magnitude of force is B Q V sin theta. In vector form, we can write as Q V cross B, as the angle made by the charge is with the direction of velocity and the applied magnetic field. The direction of this force can be simply calculated by applying Fleming's left hand rule, as we all are very familiar with the Fleming left hand rule, that on stretching your left hand in such a way that your first finger points in the direction of magnetic field, central finger gives the direction of current, then the thumb will give the direction of force which is experienced by the charged particle. So the magnitude of this force can be simply calculated by applying the expression bqv sin theta, having a vector form as F Q V cross B, and the direction of this force can be calculated by applying Fleming's left hand rule. I hope you have understood this concept well. Thank you.